So we got some nail polish from Gucci. Let's go ahead and open her up. But before we do that, let's do our notification shout outs. So these are the 3 people that were the first 3 people to comment on my last video. Thank you guys so much for having your post notification turned on. And if you would like a shout out just like these 3 people, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe and you have your post notifications turned on. That way you could possibly be one of the first 3 people to comment on my videos and you'll get a shout out just like these 3 lovely people here. All right, let's open up. All right, so first of all, I want to start off by saying this video should have been out like months ago. I ordered this 2 months ago, I want to say, I think. Let me just tell y'all, 1 bottle of nail polish from Gucci ran me $30. And I paid that willingly. $30 for 1 little bottle. Oh, look, the nice little green pattern. Just look at the size of the box, first of all. Look at the box. This is for 1 nail polish bottle. Let's save the planet and pack it in a smaller box, okay? So first of all, we got a nice little envelope from Gucci. This how you know this is like luxury. Thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. Each item has been skillfully designed and made using the highest quality materials by Italian artisans. Please contact us if you have any issues. For a $30 bottle of nail polish, you need to be gel polish. And I guarantee you it's regular nail polish. Okay, so I got a nice little Gucci duster bag for nail polish. But what do you expect? It's luxury. Now I just want y'all to know, before I pull this nail polish out, this is strictly for content. Don't think I'm gonna go out and be buying no $30 nail polish, okay? So it came with all of it. There you have it. So before I unpackage it, I'm about to do a whole nail set around this nail polish. Now whether it's gel or whether it's just regular nail polish, I really want to do like an actual nail design of some sort. I don't know. I like for y'all to be a part of my content. I might ask y'all on my Instagram right quick. I'm about to do a poll on my Instagram, okay? This is why you need to follow me on Instagram, because I'm real like spontaneous with my polls. But I'm getting ready to do a poll and I'm gonna give y'all a choice between 2 different nail designs, and whichever one you guys pick on my Instagram, that's the one I'll do here in this video. I'll leave the poll up for a couple of hours so I can give a lot of you guys a chance to see it and participate, and then I'll come back in a couple of hours and do the nail set with some Gucci. Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so here's a closer look of the envelope of the little note that they included in the package. There's that right there. And then here is the polish. I just wanted to show you guys a closer look of the little dust bag it comes with. And it's real plain. All it says is Gucci. Let's go ahead and open this up. I mean, it's real tight in this little bag. Come on out. Don't be scared, don't be shy. And I honestly forgot what color I ordered. It's been 2 months since I ordered this. So let's see. Oh, there we have it. Honestly, this is one of my favorite colors, which is why I ordered it. So the color is called Dorothy Turquoise. It says it right there on the bottom. So let's see if this is gel or if it's regular nail polish. I think it's regular nail polish. I don't think it's gonna be a gel. Oh. Yeah, it's just regular nail polish. That's all it is. Oh, I forgot how strong regular nail polish can be. So earlier I went on and put a poll up on my Instagram to do either ombre or a French set. And you guys picked ombre. And even though this isn't gel polish, we can still work ombre with this good old regular nail polish. So I think I'm just going to use these C-curve nail tips to put on my nails. I'm going to include the link in the description. And these are the coffin shaped ones. That's how they look. And honestly, what I like about these is you don't have to do too much filing. All you have to do is cut it at your desired length, file that free edge down a little bit, and you're good to go. I promise you, every single time I do a set, I always want to go long. I don't know what it is, but I will tell you guys this. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret about me. When it comes to length, I always either go like medium length or short. Like I can function with long, but it's just a little easier with shorter nails. I don't know. But when it comes to content creating, I love doing longer nails. That's just me. But for this set, we're gonna go like semi-long. I think I cut this one a little shorter than this one. But here, we're gonna go with it. All done. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my buffer. We're just gonna buff out all of the tip because the last thing I need is this polish. Ooh, peeling off. All right, now for the moment of truth. Like I said before, it's regular nail polish. So you do not need a UV nail lamp of any sort. So to do this ombre, I'm just gonna go over the whole entire nail tip with the polish. Just like that. And I'm gonna let that dry. This turquoise is kind of pretty. It looks really nice though. Honestly, it looked like this is already dry. Is it dry? Let's see. Oh, that was super quick. Okay, fast drying nail polish from Gucci. It took no time to dry. So I'm gonna go ahead in with another coat. I mean, is it worth $30 of your money? I don't know, but this is some nice polish. I'm just obsessed with the color and the fact that we really didn't need a second coat. Like that first coat was enough. I just wanted to be sure, but that's nice. And then the fact that it dries quickly. Oh yeah. We all know the real reason why it's $30. It's because of that name right there. That's why. But to protect the polish from the acrylic, I'm going to top it off with some of this top coat. That way it's not really bleeding once I cap it off with some acrylic. Oh, y'all, looks like monomer is another thing on the list for me to go buy. I am definitely running a little low. By the way, I use Mia Secrets monomer from Amazon. Okay, so these are the two acrylics that I have to choose from for the nude to do the ombre with. So we have almond and then peach. This, my friends, is almond. And this, my friends, is peach. And peach is a lot lighter than almond, and I think I want to go for the lighter color. So we're gonna go for peach. So let me just pick one up like that, and I'll put it right there, and then just drag it. Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh. Okay, let's do over. Wait. Listen, guys, sometimes it don't always comes out right on the first try. Sometimes we just gotta try it again. Oh, that one is better. I just want it to blend like seamlessly. Going with that cuticle bead a little smaller. Gonna push up to the cuticle. Make sure we get all up in there. I'll take it. And if I want to be 100% honest with y'all, ombre was like my biggest fear when I was first trying to learn it and master it. Because I will always like either do too much or not do enough. It just really truly takes practice, just like anything else. I like to place the cuticle be like right before the cuticle and then slightly push up into the cuticle. Not too much because you don't want to overflow it. And just bring the rest on down from the outside and then come on in. And there you go. Now this is before we cap it off, and I know y'all see how it looks a little thick at the top and a little skinny at the bottom. It's not proportional, but we're gonna fix that. All right, so now I'm gonna cap it off. I have some clear acrylic powder from Me a Secret. I'm gonna start by putting it right dead in the middle of the nail and then just blending it up and then blending the rest down. Ooh, that kind of ran down a little bit. And see how that already made a big difference in shape already, and we didn't even do much. And then I like to come here at the top of the nail. And cover all of that there. And then down here I can see a little dent. So I'm gonna just fill it in. Right there. And that did the trick. And then I like to turn to the side profile to see how it looks from the side. And it looks pretty good from the side. I might just want something at this free edge. Just a little something. Like I said, just a little bit at the free edge. I just felt like it needed just a little bit more. Go, it's all capped off. I'm kind of liking this matte, but I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. We gotta shape it up first, and then we can worry about that later. So I'm gonna take my 80 grit panda brush here. We're just gonna shape everything up. Gonna hit both sides. That free edge. And then we're gonna round out the sides like we usually do. Got a file underneath. Down here. And see how it's not flush down from a side view? I'm just gonna take my file and file downward in the middle. Look at that, that looks so much better. So now we gotta get at them cuticles and really snatch them up. So I just take a regular sanding band and I go around the cuticle area and lightly kind of just shape it up a little bit. And then to really snatch them up, I'm gonna take this comb bit and really get into that cuticle area. To really snatch them. And I kind of line up on the sides too. And this really snatches them. You'll notice a huge difference after this. And I mean huge. Look at that. Already. One thing I did not notice when putting the tips on was that this one is crooked. You see how it kind of slants that way? But I guess there's nothing we can do about that right now. And you can't really tell like facing this way, but when you come this way, yeah, it's leaning a little bit. So we're all done with the nails, as y'all can see, but look at my mess, Let's clean it up in 1, 2. Whew. There we go. Honestly, I wish it was that quick to clean up. But let's do something with these. Okay, so this will determine whether I go matte or whether I'll do a top coat. So I'm just gonna put a matte top coat, and I do this all the time. I put a matte top coat on the nail, and I see the way it looks before I cure it, because this is how it will look glossy. And then if I like how it looks glossy before I matte it, then I'll just wipe the matte off with like some acetone or something. And I kind of like the way it looks. Oh yeah, matte wouldn't have been hitting like this. This needed to be glossy. Now, before we finish, I'm not done yet. I really want to put some jewels on this. So I know quite a few of you wanted me to do a rhinestone video. So I did a whole separate video on this so it can be a little bit easier to find. So if you want to see how I put rhinestones on these nails, go watch that video. But here's the finished product. Okay, so y'all, obviously it is the next day. I was up real late last night finishing this set, but it turned out pretty good. One thing that I do wish I had was like some Gucci nail decals. So this could have been like a real Gucci set, like an actual Gucci set, but I don't have Gucci nail decals. But nevertheless, it's still cute, like it's still bomb. I like it. So yeah, but before we end this video, I just want to thank you guys so much. I think we're at 46K subscribers. I think the last time I checked. I just want to thank you guys so much for 46 subscribers. I love you guys so much. And I'm really thinking about doing a giveaway when we hit 50K, because that's like the halfway mark to 100K. So I want to let you guys know you can look forward to a giveaway when I hit 50K. So keep watching on that subscriber count. And if you want a chance to win my other giveaways, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I do a giveaway on Instagram every month on the 29th. What did I want to say? Oh yeah, so yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like lately I've been at a block with content. I'm all over the place with what I want to do. So I'm basically gonna put a whole bunch of content ideas on a wheel. So y'all know my famous wheel that I got from that app, and I'm gonna spin the wheel, and whatever the wheel lands on, that's what I have to do for Saturday's video. You know, it keeps me from going crazy and losing my mind, because I literally think too hard about content. So to keep me sane, that's what I'm gonna do. And I feel like it'll give you guys a chance to, you know, look forward to what's gonna happen Saturday. So we're gonna go ahead and start that today right now. So let's see what we're doing Saturday. And let's spin. Okay. So we are doing my nails with a Walmart nail kit. That should be fun. We gotta see what Walmart got, because sometimes Walmart don't be having what I be needing. So we're doing Walmart nails this Saturday, so make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified when that video is posted. I might even take y'all to Walmart with me. We're gonna make it a vlog. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make it a vlog. So yeah, this outro was a little long, but thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I will see you guys in my very next video this Saturday with the Walmart nails.